Good morning, everyone, and thanks for coming back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And I don't know if you can hear the dogs, but they've been like running
Teddy,
around
Ginger.
like crazy this morning. I don't know what's up with them. And today, guys, hold on, give me a second. Just eating my morning fruit.
That's right. Eat fruit in the morning. Ginger girl, ginger
We're gonna make
girl.
a pound cake from a box.
All right.
This is regular cake from the supermarket.
That's right.
And we pay 89 cents for it. It was on sale.
That's it?
And what you do is,
Yes.
you open the box,
Open it up, open
take
it
the
up.
inside package out,
Yes.
rip it like I did.
Yes.
Try to find yourself a container that is deep enough because we're going to be mixing.
And this glass
And you don't
preferred.
want it. Oh, it could be plastic if you don't have glass. I like the glass because I like to see
The contents
everything.
of the mixture.
I want to see everything going on inside.
Going
As
on,
I'm whisking it
going
together.
on.
Now, it says in the box that you need 3/4 cups of milk.
That's right.
So I didn't have any regular milk. They said regular milk, 2%, whatever you wanted it.
This is evaporated.
But I have evaporated
Just less
milk.
water.
I like evaporated milk because I'm going to leave a little bit just in case, because the evaporated milk gives it like a dessert taste.
Yeah.
Like that, like that fresh, like cheesecake. You know,
Yeah.
because it's from heavy, you got to put heavy cream on cheesecake.
That's right.
Like that. So this is what you need. 2 eggs. So
Check.
I like using my brown eggs.
That's right.
2 eggs, 3/4 cups of milk,
Yes.
and the content that was inside the box of pound cake that I bought.
That's right.
Okay. Now, Michael, can you go around the other side, please?
Go
'Cause you're, on
around,
top.
go around.
I'm gonna take my whisker.
Yes.
A lot of people have those hand things. I have one, an electric hand. But I don't. I rather use my arm because I guess what, guys. Michael, come on, go
Build
up.
that muscle, build
You
that
can
muscle.
build your arm. You're actually exercising. That's
see?
right, girls.
That's right.
So,
Look at that, look at that.
Or guys, you're using your arm, and then when we start getting older, it goes to men too. This part of your arm down here, Michael. I want to show the ladies. You kind of like it like that turkey. You see that? They call it the turkey wobble or whatever. But these exercises, this is an
you look fine,
exercise
Mom.
as you're cooking. Look, you can work your arm. So we're gonna batter this until there's no more bolitas. What I'm called bolitas is those round little dots that you see over there.
That's right. The ones
So
that haven't
exactly.
evaporated yet.
So
or,
remember, I didn't want to put the whole.
mix completely.
Yeah. So here
Save a little for the end.
You don't have to. I just didn't have regular milk, and so I told Mike, "Hey,
But
Mike,
that is regular milk.
I got carnation milk."
The milk they sell
Yeah.
in the gallons, hate to tell everyone, it's watered down. There's
Yeah.
water in there. That's not real
It
milk.
is.
Yes.
I haven't bought regular milk in so long. I mean, like real regular milk.
Well, I drink
I
it,
really-
and let me tell
I'm
you,
allergic
it's watered
to it,
down.
And but I was telling Mike, I'm gonna have a little bit of this, didn't I, Mike?
Oh yeah, this
Yeah.
is the real milk right there, without the water.
Cake is the batter is. I should have used my electric thing.
That's okay. You got to show
But
everybody your
no,
moves.
it's okay. I know because it really. See, I'm trying to liquefy and put this together. See, gotta go do it hard and work. Man, I think I need to put a little bit more milk, Michael.
Yep.
You think?
Nope. It's actually perfect.
Yeah, no. Because those bolitas have to go. I can't have those. See? So, see, they gotta go.
So put some extra milk in there.
Yep, until they. Yep.
Milk it on, milk it on.
Hey, it is what it is, right? I mean, it feels very heavy. The texture is not soft enough.
You want me to whip it?
Yeah, can you do that? Hold on,
Yeah, and we'll
guys.
come back.
Let me put. No.
We'll come back.
No, they're not gonna
Oh.
come back. Give me.
All right.
Go ahead, Mike. Go ahead and yeah, my arm got fat, but we're still talking here. Go ahead, Michael. Yeah, that's good for your arm. I can feel the burn in the back of my arm.
Oh,
Which I'm gonna start working out again. I stopped working
oh,
out
it's like this.
5 months ago. However you want.
Yeah, I like it
Just
like that.
stir. Yeah. Stir it. You if you put pressure with one arm.
Oh, I got it.
And this, put pressure on that again.
No problemo.
And then with the other arm, exactly.
Okay, guys, so look at that.
That doesn't move. Go ahead.
Look.
There you go. That's
No
nice,
lumps.
Mike. I see lumps from here. Yeah. Whisk it away, Michael.
Hey, next time use the
They
electric
say you
one.
gotta whisk.
Whisk it up, whisk it up.
So whisk it up, Michael.
Oh, use that left hand.
Is it getting heavy?
Ah, it's very heavy.
Yeah, okay, wait.
Why do you keep putting milk?
Go ahead, because it has to soften up.
What? Maybe that's supposed to the way it's supposed to be. It's pound
it's
cake.
not. I know, but it's not.
Guys, comment down below and tell us if you use a lot of milk or a little bit of milk.
It's not a little bit of milk, Mike, or much. It's not about that.
You know what?
It's about
they're gonna tell
that.
us.
Exactly. You see how it is now? It's a little bit softer, right?
Yeah.
It was gotten too thick, and then
Mama
we got
knows
to break,
best.
of course.
Okay, you can go like this.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it with your hand.
I just don't want it to
You
like
pressure
slide
it down.
like
Take
this.
your hand, like your whole hand.
But I don't want to
And with
cover the
other-
bowl. I want everyone to
It
see.
doesn't matter. People can see.
No.
But you
like
gotta
this.
make
Okay,
sure
got it.
that
There
it
you
doesn't
go.
move.
Okay, guys, I think I found my groove here.
There. How hard is it?
How hard is it?
Yeah. Is it getting too hard, like thick?
No, it's good.
It's good, right? Yeah, so
Well,
that's
Mom,
what
it's
we're
more or
gonna
less
do,
pretty
guys. You know,
good.
we stir. Go on, Michael. And
How long am I stirring for?
stir. It doesn't matter until I tell you.
What?
It's almost done, but not quite. Go ahead. Go ahead, but it's okay. I know what I'm doing. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on.
No, you got this.
I'm gonna take it over. Hold on, let Mama
Hold
take
on,
it over.
hold on.
Is it too heavy? Do you need more milk?
No more milk.
No more milk, but we gotta break those.
Mama, that's how it's supposed to be.
No,
Wait,
it's not.
Hold on, I got it.
Let me read this box to see what it says. Michael grabbing me nuts here. Hold on a second, but look, this is the funniest thing, you know? Because most cakes, like when you start, you know, that's what it is. You know what it is? It's not that, it's not thing. It's that we haven't put the appropriate milk in. And that would have, yeah, I'm telling you right now. See? Okay. And I'm just gonna, you see, use my Superman powers that Mama got here, right, Mike? Look at that. Look at all that strength. That's right. Whoa! See? How does it look now? Better, right? So I'm gonna pour it in my pan. I'm not gonna keep on stirring.
Yeah, I
My
think it's
arm's
enough
gonna- I think it's good, Mike.
Yes.
So we're gonna do. I'm gonna put it in a loaf, in a bread thing.
Oh, look, Ginger's waiting for
Wow,
hers.
that smells really good, Mike.
It does.
Right?
Can't wait till it's done.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. And I think we're gonna put it in the oven at 325 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's what the instructions say. Now,
Well, it has to cook slowly
hold on a
because it's
second.
more of like a sponge cake.
yep, hold on. And then I just want to put the rest of the batter in there. See,
All right.
that looks really good.
Make sure to grease your pan with
I know.
salted butter.
With with some butter.
Salted.
It doesn't need to be salted
Unsalted.
because it's a cake. But whatever
Either
butter
or.
you have, if you have it salted, you put it salted. If you have sweet butter, hey, some sweetness to it. Ain't nobody hating. You know, it's love. What you need in the kitchen is love. If you have love, whatever you're making is going to come out really nice. So before we go, guys, I just want to tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, Tumblr. You can go to, if you have any puppies, I have a link down below that you can click it. It's called lifesabundance.com/for-all. And you can find, it will take you right to the website. You can find all the goodies and treats for the dog. So now, we're going to take the cake. There's the pan loaf. Put it in the middle of the oven. Because when you put it in the middle, it will cook everything evenly at the same time. Okay, guys? So, close it. And we're going to put the time. It says 1 hour and...
75 minutes.
75 minutes? Oh, look at me. Oh, I passed it, Michael.
No, you didn't. It was 60
I did
minutes.
it? Oh.
15 more minutes.
15 more minutes? Okay. You said 75, so it's only 75. But after thing, it went to, okay, 115, start. So 1 hour and 15 minutes or until golden brown. If you see the cake on the top like that, nice brownish, you'll see, okay, because after this, Michael will take in some videos as it's cooking. And then at the end, when I take it out, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button so every time we do one of these crazy videos, that sometimes the spread of the moment, I'm like, let's bake a cake. And it is 10:44 a.m. in the morning, Central Time, directly from Austin, Texas.
Yeehaw.
This is Cindy's kitchen, and we'll be right back. You can see there's 20 seconds, so we're going to count. And after baking this for 1 hour and 15 seconds before I take it out.
15 minutes.
I'm going to wait
1 hour and 15
well,
minutes.
Exactly. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, we're going down to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to take it out and baked at 315.
Let's take a look.
Oh, that looks nice, Mike.
Very
Right?
nice, very nice.
Oh, look at that. Now we're going to cool it off. Now to cool it off, I'm going to put it up here. And it's going to sit there for 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. And don't forget to come back. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And we'll be right back. We waited 10 minutes. Thanks for coming back. And here's our loaf of cake. Okay, even this is,
pound
this
cake.
is kind of like warmy. So this should come out. All right. Oh, there you go. Look how beautiful.
Perfect.
So now I'm going to put it face up. This is our beautiful pound cake. And we're going to cut a little piece.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to cut a little piece.
Oh, I get it. Hold on.
See.
Oh, that's beautiful.
You got to put it like more straight like this if you're going to take a picture, bud. Taking pictures there?
Always.
Right.
For social media.
Put it like this. Now you can see the density of
We
it.
gotta slice it open.
Okay.
Here's the true
let
moment.
me cut a piece for Michael. Tell you the truth, he drives me insane. This boy here.
That's right.
You know?
Well, if I don't, who is?
Wow, look how pretty that is. You can see the smoke. I want you guys to take it and make sure, Michael, you can see the smoke coming out of that.
Yes.
Can you see it?
The fluffy.
Yeah, so look how fluffy and nice. I cannot eat cake, but Michael will take a spoon of that. Right, Mike?
That's right.
And now let me get a fork. So, this is our pound cake. It costs 89 cents for the box. I put 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of milk. Mix it together, put it in the oven for 1 hour and 15 seconds and 15 minutes. And that's what we came out with, a whole pound. And how many people can eat from here? You have a family of 4, 5, or 6, even in 8 pieces, and everybody can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this piece, 8. Everybody can get a good slice. Just like this one here that you guys see that I cut off it already. You see how nice? That was the butter that I put in that loaf pan because what it does, it makes it nice and brown.
It is beautiful.
And crispy. So here you go, Michael. Let me take that camera. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook. Look for us on Google Plus, on Instagram. If you go down below, you can click on Patreon also. Michael, let everybody know how that is. Good, Mike?
Delicious.
And Michael lost some cake. Okay, I want to see you cutting it there. I get a piece.
I do not
and
use
then put the fork.
a knife.
I need you to, I need you to take like a piece like that. Wait, let me just use this and cut it. And show everybody the density. Look at that.
It's delicious.
Right? Oh, I wish I can have some, but I will get sick. So you guys know what to do. Like I said before, you can go down below and click on Patreon. It's just if you guys want to donate $1 or not to us, you can, have the chance and the right to do what you think you want to do. And also if you have little animals, your puffy little friends, dogs and cats, I have a great dog food website for you guys. Just click down below. It's lifesabundance.com/for-all. And it will take you straight to
Very similar to
the
Sara
website.
Lee pound
Sara
cake.
Lee cake, right? But Sara Lee cake is made with carnation milk.
This is
That's why it
delicious.
has that kind of like cheesecake.
Density, yeah.
That density.
But look,
and
guys,
it feels,
look.
you see? I know.
See how fluffy?
Look at Michael eating all that. Okay, guys. Well, with that, we're gonna let you go. Thanks for watching. Here, Michael. Hold
I got
it
it.
there. I love you guys. And come here, guys. Let me say bye with my little. Come here, Gija, come. With my little puffer dogs. These are my babies. Don't drink and drive, and we love you all. Bye.